welcome back to my channel. Finally, winters are here and I'm so excited. As you can already see, I'm wearing a sweater and that's why this is the official winter season. Now I have an amazing video for you guys. I thought of merging this winter collection. Now I have shopped from some different website the winter wears and I thought of sharing with you guys so you can have an idea of what you can get from which website. So let's get started. The first thing which I have is my favorite, and as you can guess from the color, so this is the yellow colored sweatshirt and I love the sleeves. I mean, look at the sleeves, guys. It's just black embroidery and it looks so beautiful. I just love the sleeves and I actually got for the sleeves only because it was really very different and very nice. Also the material is very soft and very thick. It's very warm. As you can see, it's like from inside it's very soft and very thick, so it's really warm. Overall this looks so cute. It's very like a basic kind of a sweatshirt but also has a hint of something really different and unique. That's why I love this sweatshirt. I got this from Myntra and I'll put the price of this in the description bar, so make sure you check the description bar. And it has this, wait a minute, I'll show you properly. So it has this elastic at the bottom and you have this elastic at the sleeves as well, so it fits very properly to your wrist, which is a really nice thing. I just love this sweatshirt. So the next is this a very cute oversized sweatshirt in the blush pink color, which looks super cute, and it has this loud return in the front, as you can see. So it is a very cute color. I just really love this color, and again it's very warm. The material is very thick, so it gives a nice warmth, and also it has this elastic at the sleeves and even at the bottom. The size of this is S, but as you can see it's like little big. So yeah, it's like a baggy sweatshirt, which is really nice. Also the shoulder of this, it doesn't have the shoulder, like it comes right here, if you can see, somewhere at the middle of your sleeve, like here. So yeah, this is really nice, very trendy. I love the color. Again, it's very warm and very soft from inside. The material is really nice and soft. So yeah, this is a very great deal and I got this from Amazon, and when I got this I was shocked. Like, Amazon has such a great clothing nowadays, so I'm really impressed by the Amazon. So this is a big thumbs up. So the next is this knitted sweater, and this is how it looks. This is in the magenta color, such a pretty color. Now this and the one I'm wearing is same. This is in magenta color, this is in yellow color. This I got for my sister, so the size of this is S and I got in the size M. This fits perfectly. I just love it. It is really nice and warm. Also I like the fact that the material of this is nice and it's not thin, but it's like breathable material. You know what I'm saying? It's not like very thick and warm. I like the material is very lightweight, yet it gives a nice warmth to the body. I really like that. It's kind of a sweater, so it looks really nice and kind of old school. Also it has this very small detailing at the neck, as you can see. So this detailing also looks very pretty, and overall I love this sweater. I got this from Ajio, and yeah, nothing else. It also has a very small elastic thing at the bottom. Also okay, the material is stretchy as well, so as you can see it stretches a bit, so the material is stretchy, very nice. Love this one. make sure to give this a video a big fat thumbs up if you like this video. Also comment down below which one is your favorite and where do you shop, from which website do you shop the winter wear. I will love to know that. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also share this with your friends as much as you can. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Also, if you guys haven't already participated in the giveaway is still open. You can still participate in the giveaway. I'll put that link of the video right up here, so you can go check that out and still participate in the giveaway. And yeah, this is so fun. Do participate in the giveaway.